Cobra F-16. A one-of-a-kind device was unveiled in Germany in September 2016, a remote-controlled F-16 Cobra fighter bomber. This copy of the supersonic airplane was made to a scale of 1.5, weighs 18 kilos, and flies thanks to an EQ hammer engine. In addition to its excellent speed capabilities, the F-16 can perform all kinds of tricks in the air and can reach a speed of 600 kilometers per hour. It can travel this fast thanks to a huge gas turbine engine, but controlling this model requires a lot of experience and is a big responsibility. Mammoth Rewarren. The company Mammoth Works has decided to create the first remote-controlled model of a car at a scale of 1 to 3, in relation to the real car. The vehicle is powered by a gasoline engine and can reach a speed of almost 70 kilometers per hour. There will be 3 different versions of the Mammoth Rewarren: Serial, Premium, and Competition. But we must warn you, this engineering jewel is not cheap at all. It will cost you something between $5,500 and $15,000. The main difference between the machines is the power of their engine. The cheapest version will have a 200 cubic centimeter 4-stroke engine, and the more expensive models will run on 250 and 350 cubic centimeter engines. The dimensions of the Mammoth Rewarren are 185 by 90 by 75, and it weighs almost 80 kilos. The vehicle also has disc brakes and anti-skid ABS systems. The model is operated with the special Mammoth Supervision remote control created in Linux. My-24 American engineers have built a unique toy. It is an exact remote-controlled copy of the Soviet Mi-24 helicopter. This model can fly to a height of over 300 meters above the ground and easily soar through the skies. This device was first demonstrated in 2014 during the Military Equipment Week in Norway, and now RC model enthusiasts dream of having this helicopter in their collections. Pink Panther. This remote-controlled airplane reaches a speed of 744 kilometers per hour and can do so in just a few seconds. The aircraft entered the Guinness Book of Records thanks to its speed, the highest ever reached by a radio-controlled model. The pilot and co-creator of this aircraft plans to improve his baby's performance to reach a speed of 800 kilometers per hour. Boeing 747. This is an incredibly accurate copy of the Boeing 747 at a scale of 1.13 with all the details you can imagine. The wingspan of the radio-controlled model is 5 meters, while the aircraft is 5.5 meters long and weighs almost 68 kilograms. And if you are far enough away, you can think that this Boeing 747 is real. The takeoff, flight, and landing process is absolutely similar to that of a real airplane. Schumacher Mi-3. An amateur designer created this little work of art, spending 6 months and about $4,000. The Schumacher Mi-3 can be considered not only the fastest remote-controlled toy in the world, but also the most expensive. The engineer used parts from other airplanes and helicopters to create his machine. The aerodynamic body is made of carbon fiber, and the shape of the vehicle is reminiscent of the shape of a rocket. The Schumacher Mi-3 engine was taken from a remote-controlled aircraft. The wheels are driven by an 11-horsepower motor, and the vehicle uses a rechargeable battery to work. Offside tires are made of vulcanized rubber that resists friction. The maximum speed of this car was 302 kilometers per hour. B-2 Spirit. The Northrop B-2 Spirit is a heavy, stealthy strategic strike aircraft developed by the American company Northrop Grumman, designed to breach enemy air defenses and deploy conventional or nuclear weapons. Not long ago, an exact copy of this aircraft was created, only of course in a smaller size. The 70 centimeters long model is made of extruded polystyrene, has a wingspan of 160 centimeters and weighs 2.5 kilograms. The aerial weight of the model is 1.3 kilograms. The model is equipped with side lights, gun stations, and hatches similar to those of the real aircraft. This toy can reach a speed of 150 kilometers per hour.